Day everyone, welcome to Tarish TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Also, hit the bell icon so you can get notifications. Thank you. Do not blame the president for pre-recording his broadcasts. See why he shouldn't be blamed. Many Nigerians have been hinted that most of the presidential speeches are really live, based on a host of the presidential broadcast speeches that are always leaked on the social media by some unknown informants in the presidential villa. Also, Aso Rock rather, some hours before the president goes live to the broadcast. Well, we can say that the hunches is true as it was confirmed by the special assistant to the president on media and publicity, Mr. Femi Adesina, that most of the president's live broadcasts are usually pre-recorded, usually some hours before the broadcast. He said, "I am pretty sure that you will be convinced that it is actually wrong to criticize our president for recording his speech before they are broadcasted for us to see, which you see the reason why he does so. These are some major grounds, premises, and reasons that justify the fact that it is very right for a president to record his speech before it is being broadcasted for the viewers. In this vein, recorded video before it is broadcasted for millions of people to view aim at giving the best quality to Nigerians. Mistakes and errors will be sieved away to get rid of the unwanted pieces of content. By this, Nigerians enjoy the president's broadcast without any challenge. So many things can go wrong in a live broadcast. It is just like producing a movie. Imagine how a movie will be if it is not recorded and edited before it is released. The other reason to justify this is the right thing to do that during the interview with Mr. Femi Adesina, he reveals that pre-recorded broadcast is very normal thing that it is usually done by every president. So, since presidents do it, our own president should not be slammed for practicing a normal tradition among his mates. Since he addresses us and we get his point, we should not bother ourselves with the behind the scene of the broadcast, whether live or not. It is also a sign of humility when a broadcast is pre-recorded. Definitely, the president will be watching it in his villa as it is broadcasted. Thus, the president at that moment has transformed himself from a president to a mere citizen as at the time of the broadcast. This is solely because President Buhari sits before the television as a mere citizen would do to get the address by himself. That means he is putting himself in the place of all Nigerians and gets addressed by himself. In the same vein, President Buhari also gets more connected with Nigerians by watching how he addresses the public simultaneously as the people. He also said that it creates a kind of bond between the president and the viewers, as at the time of the broadcast, the president even gets to know what he serves Nigerians and how it tastes like. Femi Adesina is at it again. Well, he's doing his job. He has to protect the president and the presidency. He has to say and back them up. Anyhow, I stand to be corrected. He must back them up. Anyhow, well, let's take what people have to say. Both Femi and Channel TV crew are highly gullible. Why can't they ask Femi to name one singular president that does that? Well, this person said, so they have agreed the broadcast was pre-recorded. Shameless and clueless government. Before, we heard that it was not a pre-recorded message, and now they have admitted that it is recorded, and it is normal for presidents to record message. This person said excuses of failures not acceptable. Another person said, Adi Ayagbara said, the problem here is why lie? Why say it is a live video when Additional knows the video are dead? This person said, boom, next story. There is always an excuse and no reason had defined these flaws. Another person said, I am not the ignorant that I can't differentiate the real video and a deep fake video. This person said, Kingsley said, there is no reason on earth for pre-record a broadcast that we fashion as a breaking news. Well, these are comments from people. To drop your own comments at the comment section, and I will see you on the other news. Thank you guys for listening.